In the year 2023, VIT had obtained a rank of 1001 to 1200 in the reputed QS World Ranking system. But in the recent 2024 ranking, VIT has moved up to the rank band of 851 to 900. This is a remarkable achievement by the VITians. So in Asia, VIT is ranked 163, which is 10 places up compared to the last year. So because of the quality of the research and the academics at VIT, this has been possible. And VIT is also ranked very high in 11 subjects worldwide in 2024. If you look at the engineering and technology, VIT is ranked number 9 in India, and in computer science especially, we are ranked number 7 in India. This has been possible because of the research and academic improvements made at VIT. It's not only that, even in business and management, VIT is ranked number 21 in the country. The VIT deemed university with its campuses in Vellore and Chennai has been making tremendous progress in the quality of the education and research. In the subject rankings of the QS 2024, we are glad to inform you that the business and management subject, VIT is ranked number 21 to 23 in India, which is a remarkable improvement. In the QS 2024 rankings, we are happy to note that in 2 parameters, both of them relate to research, the H index parameter and the International Research Network parameter, VIT is ranked number 2 in the country in both these parameters, ahead of all the IITs and IISc. This is a very remarkable achievement of VIT.